Hi guys, welcome to Sunny's SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about other data types which we missed in our old videos. These are the three data types which we are going to see about. Number data type, which is used to store numbers in fields. Click next. It will ask for some meaningful name in field label and you have to define the length of the number. If it exceeds the number, it will throw error. Click next and save to create a field in number field. Now I will show you in data entry page how number will be worked. Here age is a number field which is length of 2. Here I have given 3 digits, so it will throw error. Maximum of you can give 99 here. So it is saved because the maximum number can be given is 99, largest value of 2 digits. Now I will show the value in record page. It is saved like this. Now next data type, percentage data type. Percent data type is to store percentage value. It is just like numbers. Click next. Similarly, you have to give some meaningful name and you have to define the length. Here also length should be 2 because percentage will not cross 100, or otherwise according to your wish you can give any number. Now I will show you in the data entry page. This percentage field is a percent data type. If you give more than 2 value and click save, it will throw error because maximum number of digit is allowed is 2. The entry is saved. I will show you the percentage value in record page. This is the value 89.00 because I have given divisible value as 2. So only after dot 20 is showing. Next data type, phone data type. Phone data type also a number which is used to store phone number. Click next. You have to give some meaningful name to define the phone and you can give some default value here. Phone number is an alphanumeric value. You can give digit as well as characters. I will show you in data entry page. Type some phone number. Click save. In record page, I will show you how it will be visible. If you click here, automatically it will ask for any app is there to initiate call. This is a feature available in Salesforce. So we have seen 3 data types in this video. We will see other data types in our upcoming videos. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.